Welcome to Rabbet Home. I'm guessing you've landed on this video since you've just received your brand new 1003-10 drinks table. First of all, thank you for your purchase, and more importantly, congratulations. You're only a few simple steps away from having your new table set up and ready to use. Okay, let's get started. Once you've opened the carton and removed all of the contents, spread the provided packing blanket on the floor or workbench. I prefer the floor. It's just easier. It's a good time to grab an old rag, or a sheet of white paper, to pour the contents of your hardware bag onto. The contrast makes it easier to see all of the parts. At this point, I like to get all of the bolts ready for assembly. I go ahead and place the lock washer and the two spacing washers onto the hex bolt, so they are ready when needed. Let's take your round top and place it face down on the blanket. This will mean that the 4 threaded inserts will be facing up. You should see 4 holes. So, on to the next step. Take the 2 sub-assembled legs and slide the 2 notches into one another. The half-lap cutout scissor together. Now place this on the top, trying to line up the holes in the leg assembly with the holes in the top. At this point, take your already prepared bolts and washers, and place them into the holes on the bottom of the legs. Very gently wiggle and turn the screws to feed them into the threaded insert at the top. These are precision machine parts, so they should not be difficult to twist. If you're having trouble twisting, do not force it. Just wiggle a little bit more until you have a smooth fit. Once all of your bolts have been lined up and hand tightened, use the provided Allen wrench to tighten the bolts. Be careful not to over tighten as it can damage the top. Flip your table over. Now it's time to enjoy your new Rabbet Home drinks table. Don't forget to share the love with your fur baby. You can use your packing blanket as a new bed for your best buddy. Rabbet Home thanks you again, and have a wonderful day.